Actually, we have two real-world examples that
Okay.
I talked about today. The first is healthcare.gov, because that's, I think, something that is very visible. I'm sure everyone will recall back in 2013 during its initial launch, it had some scaling issues.
Sure.
It made the news headlines on a daily basis.
I think we may have heard that.
It may have made the news. But if you think about that, the system had to go through and pull information from many different systems across multiple agencies, and then in real time assist the user in their selection of which plans they're eligible for
Right.
based on the information that's being collected. And it really was an issue of big data and multiple data sets that needed to go through and be processed. And what we're able to do is to bring in our Terracotta product and start caching the information in memory. And everything was preloaded, and you'll see that back in our kind of a newscast, all of a sudden, that problem went away. It was no longer a performance issue because we were able to bring that data, take all that big data, and make it available in RAM so it was accessible across multiple users. And if you think about the initiative, it also forces a lot of people accessing the same data in a high-performance situations, hundreds of thousands
Sure.
of people coming in to go through and see what they're eligible for. So the system scaled up very well. And compare and contrast that to this last open enrollment in 2014 went through very smoothly. Now, there's plenty of other enhancements that were made through a lot of various people, but big data caching is really a big important part of that. And related to that then is the FBI Index program, which is a program that multiple agencies, state and
Right, I'm
federal,
familiar
are all
with that one.
contributing. Okay, perfect. I'm sure you would by your background. Are contributing into that. And all that is going into a big data in memory situation so that all your investigators can go through and do their searches in real time. So it's a system that's got hundreds of millions of records. It's got over 2 billion information entities that are associated to it, hundreds of gigabytes of data coming in on a daily basis that's constantly updating this data. And it continues to go through and scale and process everything in real time. So we've got plenty of examples, I think, in the real world already using existing technology.
Yeah, excellent.